My name is Mrashim Rindwa. Welcome to Startup Plug Academy, here we teach business. So a lot of people they are already familiar with what we call Chatgpt, and this inotibatsira pazvakawanda kugadzira mascript, my business ideas, my business logs, a lot of things. To those who are not yet familiar with it, if you go on internet and just type Chatgpt, you can just Google using it like Google online. But Chatgpt, you don't have to use it like Google because it's more better than Google. Yeah, but what makes it different from the other applications and everything is how you work with it, how you instruct it. So that's what makes it different from Google, and that's what makes it far different, because if you just ask it a random question, it will just give you random answers, you see. So what matters most is how you question it. You should question it, and it should be helping you as your mentor. So I am doing this video to show people how they can make money using Chatgpt in 2025. Yeah, now also stepping 2026. It's time to make money. Do not hesitate to try AI, artificial intelligence. Chatgpt, it's part of it's AI. It's open. It's AI, open AI. I found the company. So how to question it so that it will give you specific answers. Just say guide or comment section, and I will give you the links. I will give you the prompt, a small guide, a small prompts that you should use to question it, so that it will reply you as a professional. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and to follow my Facebook page. Yes, do not forget, because I'm coming up with more and a lot of things that will help you grow your business online, and that will also make you money. A lot of people are making money using these things, but there are a lot of things that you are not yet know, that you do not yet know. Big creators, but here we are going to break them all those things for free. Exactly, for free. So just say guide, comment section. I will give you my prompts that will help you to act as a professional, to ask it, and it's time to make money using AI. This time it's chadarika ngoyacho. I wonder what to get used to it. Whether you are in any business, AI is helping. Content creation, anything, any business that you might think of, it's helping a lot. So just as a guide.